Hey guys, today I will be touring around Kiliawan Farm Resort. That over there is the tractors where we're gonna sit and drive around the farm for our tour. This is really fun actually. Never been on a tractor before. They're starting the tractor. This is it.
Villa Vicenta has various fruit trees, plants, and vegetables, but their three main fruits are cacao, golden sweet mango, and bamboo. There are thousands of cacao planted in this property. The variety of fruits are PR25. The pods are reddish while it's young and turns yellow when it's ripe. Cacao harvested all year round. Farm workers harvest the ripe pods every week and then ferment them. Fermentation helps to develop the flavor of the fruit. So ito po yung mga cacao trees. Dalawang color po yung makikita nyo. Isang color red and then color green and then turns yellowish po pag pwede na siyang i-harvest. Kung mapapansin nyo po may mga plastic para nakuha sila sa mga pet na kaya nilalagyan ng mga. Okay, hold on. Ang fermentation po, kukuha ng malinis na timba, ilalagay yung hanin, ilalagay ng plastic na may mga butas, dahon ng saging, and then yung puno ng mga cacao. Ferment po ito ng 1 week, and then after fermentation, isa-sun-dry mga 2 weeks. Sun-dry ng 1 to 2 weeks. Once the beans are dry, i-roast naman po ito. After roasting, dadalhin sa processing area sa Santo Tomas to grind it, and then ibabalik po dito. Yun na po yung sinaserve sa restaurant. Binibenta lang sa country store yung kanina, pero outside po, ito lang po. So yung matitikman nyo po or nagtikman po na mga chocolate, brownies million or chocolate pure na tagayan. And then ito po sa semento, binabad po ang bamboo sa tubig for 15 days. Pinayo, pinausukan para i-roll smooth or bukbok na tinatawag po. So ganun po kung paano i-treat ang bamboo para mas matagal magamit. Lahat po ng bamboo na ginamit sa farm resort, ito po hinarvest ang bamboo. Okay, hold on. 8 to 9 hectares. And then ito naman po yung golden sweet mango tree, Taiwan's best mango. As you can see, maliit lang po yung puno compare other mango tree. Pero abot ng 1 kilo hanggang 2 kilo. Kung makikita nyo po yung country store, yung mga malalaking mango, yun po yung golden sweet mango. Ang pangalan niya po ay Gypsy. You can call her Gypsy. Hi, Gypsy.
Amazing cows.
Gypsy, come, Gypsy. Bumibili po sa alam naman po here. So yung right side naman po is the private property. Diyan naman po nakatanim yung mga lolo sa cherry tomato. Yung cover na ginagamit din po sa farm. Diba?
That's a cow.
Limang German Shepherd per husky ba yun? Nilalaki ka dito.
Laranyaga family. Minor po dad. Ay, tapa? Tapa? Okay lang po. At sa ganyan naman, para kita kayo.
Fine.
Lahat po ng animals dito ang kinakain, madre de agua, dinote damo, kamote tops, or mga overripe mango, papaya, lettuce. Ito yung mga kinakain. So on your right side, this is the black bamboo. Black color outside, pero sa loob same color ng normal bamboo. And then sa left side, ito po yung mga golden sweet mango tree. Kung makikita nyo po, nakabalot sa papel para dito sa kettle. So yan po yung mga ita-harvest na hapon yan. And then mamaya po din tayo mag-fruit sa kabilang side. So the other side, ibang property na rin po ito. Ito po yung tubo or the sugar cane. Yeah, extension. And then left side, this is giant mga bamboo kapag...
Pero ganda.
So marami pa mga bamboo. So ayan, may black bamboo, may iron bamboo, and then may tinig bamboo. Pero ang ginamit ko sa farm resort na dito sa mga upuan is the tinig bamboo kasi mas matibay po ito.
Bumpy trackers.
All done. We also have banana tree here. We have banana fruit there. Banana.
What is it? Banana. Oh, look, oh.
And then the heart of the banana there, the color red. You can eat the heart of the banana. At the right side sa baba po is the citronella leaves. So, ginagawa po namin nagpo-boil ng water. Dinitiktik po ito, pinapakuluan. Pwede na po siyang mosquito spray. Kaya sa area na to, medyo konti lang po yung labas sa hapon. So, ito po yung pinaka-shortcut, papuntang bamboo, and then papuntang Alibag. Sa right side nyo po is the old poultry houses. Before po ay may 8 poultry houses. Dalawa lang po yung kinonvert into farmers.
There's a cow. Ayun na yung cow
And then ito po isang poultry houses. Bahay na po siya ng mga goats, cow. Pwede po kayong bumalik mamaya. You can see the goats. And then the baby goat. Ikot lang natin yung farm. Kaya ngayon mag-animal feeding naman. Gypsy! Ito po old poultry house.
Rabbits.
Oh, look at that rabbit. Rabbit? Oh, that's a big rabbit, oh.
See the rabbit? Yes.
Do first speaking first. Let's go.
Mama, first speaking muna po tayo.
Food taking first.
Oh, come here.
Off to go to some fruit picking.
Ma'am, nag-stop na dahil po nag-demand yung sinusupply na kailangan naka-aircon and then ventilated yung mga chickens. Kasi po di ba nauso yung mga bird flu?
Okay. Asan tayo?
Dito ma'am, dito pa sa mga bangko.
Putin do ulit natin.
Ayan, dito lang po sa malapit. I-assist po tayo ni Kuya Albert, isa sa mga farmers. Ayan si Gypsy! Gypsy!
Hi, Gypsy. Oh, say hi to Gypsy.
Hi, Gypsy!
Parang this is like your field trip. Yeah. Oh, itong tapang ah. Tapang yan. Hayaan mo lang yan.
Another tractor there!
These are mangoes. We get to get them and take them home. Rabbits love leaves. Eat up, big back, eat up.
You're making them eat. Let's go to the pigs. Okay. So we can feed them.
Oh, it's the ducks. They're from France.
Let's go.
Nice to see you, duck.
This whole
Itik pala, itik.
is the babies. Chickens, I think.
The duck, Kuya Aya.
Oh, it's a duck. Baby duck.
Ducks. And the mom. It's a turkey.
So don't touch the chicken.
They drop kicked me before. And I can't wait for sweet revenge.
Ala, nagsabong na.
Ooh. Fight.
Saan ka?
This is the average school fight, guys. The average school fight. Ooh. That's nice. Does he stop worrying?
Oh, look, I can get a feather.
So that was the end of the tour, and that was pretty much everything. So sorry I haven't posted in a while, and please subscribe to my channel.